Hello, myself Suyog Dhut from KK Polytechnic Nasik, and I welcome you for the course Data Structure using C. So in this video, we are going to see a graph as a data structure concept. So after completion of this video, after watching this video, a learner, it means you, will able to understand the concept of graph that can use in data structure. And the most important comes to know different terminologies related to graph. It like your node, arc, in degree, out degree, like this. So let's we see how graph can be used as a data structure in computer programming. So first thing, a graph is a non-linear data structure in which data is connected to each other. We know that graph is a non-linear data structure. It means that data is present at some random locations, not in a sequential manner. It is not mandatory that the data need to be arranged in a sequential one after another fashion. But that data is connected to each other maybe by direct link or indirectly. So we can say that graph is consist of two things. One is vertices and second one is edges. So individual data item that we are going to use, that might be city, area, college, it might be anything. So that individual data item is called as a node, and the pair which connect these nodes to each other is called as edge. So a graph is made up of two things. One is vertices, you can call this as node also, and the edges. So here you comes to know the concept of node and edge. So in the first diagram, there are 5 nodes, even though you can say vertices. So A, B, C, D, E. These are the individual data items. So these we are calling it as a node, and A is connected to B through an arc. B is connected to E. So pair is formed BE. D is connected to E, even though you can say E is connected to D, right? So all these are nothing but edges. So the pair which connects the node is nothing but edge. An individual data item is called as nodes. Now this is the second example. Here also A, B, C, D, E, all these are nodes. A to B is one edge, B to C is one edge, C to E is one edge. So these all are edges. So nodes plus edges is equal to graph. Now, there are two types of graph you can have. One is directed graph. So directed graph means what? A graph in which edges having a direction. Here you can see different edges are there, and the arrow key is mentioned, either a forward arrow, either a backward arrow. So a graph in which if the edge having some direction is mentioned, then that type of graph is called as directed graph. What it means? A is connected to B, but B is not connected to A directly. B is directly connected to D, but D is not connected to B. C is connected to E, but E is not connected to C. So direction is mentioned, it means it is a restricted graph, and every edges having the direction. Now the second type is undirected graph. Here edges don't have any direction. So what it means? A is connected to B as well as B is connected to A also. A is connected to D, D is also connected to A. So edges don't having any direction is called as undirected graph. Now, next terminology is nothing but in degree of a node. So in any graph, what exactly in degree of node means what? So the definition says number of edges arriving to particular node is called as in degree of node. So at a particular node, how many edges are coming? Let's say incoming call to your mobile. How many incoming edges are there? That count is called as in degree. And a particular node having in degree 0 is called as source node. So if there is a node where no incoming edges are there, then that type of node is called as source node. So in this diagram, let's say this is the one graph. So if I have to calculate or if I have to count in degree of 2, so this is the node 2. Here only one edge is coming from 1, right? So in degree of that node is 1. If I say in degree of node 8, so at node 8, no incoming edge is there. Okay, only outgoing is there. So in degree of that node is 0, and we can say 8 is a source node, right? If I say what is the in degree of node 7, so at node 7, two incoming edges are there. One is 5 and one is from 6. So in degree of node 7 is 2. So in this way, you can calculate in degree. On a same node, you can calculate out degree of node also. So what is out degree? Number of edges leaving to particular node. Leaving from particular node is called as out degree of node. So from a particular node, how many edges are leaving? Or from your mobile, how many outgoing calls are there? That kind of concept is called as out degree. And a node having out degree 0 is called as sink node. So if a particular node having out degree 0, then that type of concept or that type of node is called as sink node. Now in this diagram, out degree of node 2. So from node 2, only one edge is leaving, that is 2 to 5. So that's why it is 1. Out degree of node 8. So from 8, two edges are leaving, 1 to 9 and 1 to 11. So that's why out degree is 2. If you say node 9, from node 9, no outgoing edge is there. So you can say it is a sink node having out degree 0. So that is the concept of in degree and out degree. So at the completion of this video, I think you're able to understand what exactly graph is, how graph is made, and what do you mean by directed graph and undirected graph. And you comes to know the different terminologies like what exactly node means, what is the meaning of edges, what is in degree and out degree of graph. So I hope you understand this concept. So understand it and keep using for further learning. Thank you.